How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, if you have enabled the restricted mode on your YouTube application for some reason, all you have to do is simply open the YouTube app here, tap the profile icon located from the bottom right corner of the screen here, and then just tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side. After you have done that, you will come to this page where you'll be able to see all this sorts of information. You can just go to the general tab over here, and if you go to general tab, one of the options you'll find here is restricted mode. So if you have happened to enable restricted mode and you want to turn it off, just turn off the toggle like this, and once you have done that, you'll be able to successfully actually turn off restricted mode on YouTube. This way you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.